Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a very exciting unboxing, well for me anyway, and it is the April, or is it March? I'm still getting confused. It's a new subscription to me this year anyway. It's Plouise budget box. This is the gorgeous packaging. I haven't opened it up yet, and I've had lots of messages from you lovely lot saying, Claire, have you received the box? It is amazing this month, you're gonna love it. So as much as I wanted to open it up when the postman arrived this morning, I thought, no, I'll save it for my video. So before I rip it open, if you're new to Plouise subscription and you want to learn a little bit more, then carry on watching. But if not, you just want to see what's inside, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Plouise budget box is a monthly beauty subscription box. It costs £30 a box, and to the UK, it's £1 shipping. And this box ships internationally. And inside you get a mix of any of Plouise's products and also some exclusive items. I am wearing today eyeshadows from the gorgeous eyeshadow palette that we received last month, which was an exclusive for us. It hadn't been released yet. So yeah, I really like this subscription. It is on the pricier side, but the value is really great. Even though I'm kind of a newbie to Plouise products, the products that I have tried so far, I really do like. The bases are amazing. The eyeshadows are amazing. What else have I tried? Oh, there's been a few things. This is my third box, I think it is. So I'm still new. I'm going to continue with this subscription for a good while longer because it excites me. The reason I got confused at the start of the video, not knowing whether this is an April or a March box, is because the box ships out on the last day of the month. So it's really a March box, isn't it? But we receive it in April. Doesn't matter. I'll call it in April because that's when I received it. If you don't want to subscribe, you are able to purchase a one-off box. That's if they don't sell out super fast. There might be a chance that it's already sold out. I will have a look, and if it's available, I'll pop it down below in the description. So if you were to subscribe right now, your first box you'll receive next month. It will be sent out to you at the end of April, so you won't be able to have this as a subscription. I'm sure that's right. If I am wrong, I'll put it in a big pinned post underneath this video because I'm still learning about it. They also do a 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. I forgot to say that all products are full size, and we get, as I said, exclusives, but also tools as well. We've had some eyeshadow brushes. I think that's it as far as information goes. I'll pop a link to the subscription and to the one-off boxes and to the website, so you're able to take a look for yourself. But let's get on to opening this up and showing you what's inside. The contents of this box are extra special. Alright, here we go. We get a card. I'm not looking yet. We get a card, and it's just a card. It doesn't tell you anything about the products. It just says, budget box by Plouise for babes on a budget. Welcome to the world of Plouise. We do things differently here. And I'm giving you a sneak peek first. I'm going to do this without looking, alright? Oh my god, I got an egg! Plouise Kisses and Easter Wishes. It's literally an egg. It says, babe, this one egg will satisfy those Plouise cravings. So you've purchased your Plouise Easter egg and gave in to temptation inside. Now it's time to take part in a Plouise egg hunt. Rules: hop on over to plouise.co.uk, find the hidden egg within one of our web pages, click on the egg for your exclusive surprise. It does say it contains 100% cocoa, but then also 95% sass. Okay, let's have a look. Oh my word, no, obviously it's not chocolate. It's all products. Look. Oh, okay. So can you buy these eggs then from the website? You must do. Got a Stay Shining Super Hydrating Formula. Indulge Me. What is it? Oh, it's a lip balm or a lip gloss. We had one of these in the first box. Isn't the packaging cute? It is way over the top. But I think it's cool. Oh, it smells gorgeous. It smells of chocolate or caramel. It's a lip oil. Leave a little shine wherever you go. So that's the first item in the egg. Next, we've got a liquid shadow, wet and set. And, oh, does it say there? Petal Persona. If any of you know if these are exclusives, any of these products are exclusives, please comment down below. Oh, look at that. It is so cute, isn't it? It is gorgeous. Look at that shade. Oh, that's gorgeous. Similar to lipstick and eye colour that I'm wearing today. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, look. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, see, I could have done it in my eyes today if I'd opened it earlier. It says here, we don't say sorry for setting. High standards around here. Produces the effect of expertly blended shadows in half the time. Long-lasting, rich colour payoff with a velvety matte finish. Simply apply straight from the application tip and then buff out with your favourite fluffy brush. This is beautiful. Oh, and I know there's going to be lots and lots of colours. Yeah, I'm going to have a look online. Yeah, that is really nice. Shall I try blending it out with my finger? I love doing bright makeup. Not all the time, but I fancy it some days. Yeah, that was beautiful. That's just covered my whole hand now. And then lastly in the egg, I've got a fall-in-line double-ended liner. Double the precision, double the impact, sugar snap and minted. Oh, I hope these are colours. Oh, actually, something's just rung a bell. We had an email and I'm sure they had a spoiler and this was it. And it is liquid eyeliners. We only had the one spoiler though. Oh, look at those colours. Look at those colours. See my pink finger there. Oh, yes. Right. Ooh, you might not have seen that. It's super liquidy. Super liquidy. I just tipped it up like that and it's pure liquid. It just fell on the floor and it's on my carpet as well. Green. Oh my gosh. Do they thicken up if you shake? Because that's not great. It'd be better if it was thicker. I'm getting pink lipstick all over this now. I need to wipe it. No, it is really liquidy. So don't, whatever you do, tip these upside down. Oh, that's fab colour. Really, really great. Do you know what I love doing with these bright shades? Once I've done, a, say, black liquid eyeliner, I just go over the outer corner, the tips, with a bright colour like this, just to make it look more modern. But yeah, can you see? I forgot what the other shades are now, but I really like them. So yeah, besides it being really liquidy, I like that product. So in the egg, I've got a double shaded liquid eyeliner and I've got a gorgeous liquid eyeshadow and I've got a lip oil as well. Right, next then. And we have got, it's a cleanser. This is the first time we've had a skincare product, well, in the last 3 months. A texture treatment for all skin types. It's a cleanser and it's 50 mils here. Okay. Gently exfoliates skin, smooths and refines skin texture, melts away makeup, leaving skin hydrated with the appearance of smoother and softer skin. Natural fruit extracts that cleanse, exfoliate and unclog pores. It says here, what is coming is better than what has gone. Skincare is the first step in self-care. Confidence in your skin means confidence within. And it says, of course, we're dermatologically tested for our Plouise babes. And yeah, gentle, gorgeous glow setting. And then it tells you on the back there how to use it. Oh, flipping. What is wrong with me today? I am really, really clumsy. I'm just expecting everything to be stiff. I can't think of the word. What's the word? The opposite of liquidy. Anyway, it's dribbled all down there. It is quite a rosy scent, actually. But it's not bad. It's not bad. I don't like rosy scents, but this one is okay. Oh, it smells really nice and fresh, but look what I've done. Can you see? See, really, really clumsy. And just rip the top off without giving it a thought. I thought it was going to be a balm, but it's not. It's more like a gel consistency. Texture Treatment Cleanser. I'm really excited about that. Yeah. Oh, we got something else for your skin. This is confidence in your skin means, I'm reading the same old thing. Confident means confidence within, yes. Okay, texture treatment, muslin cleansing cloth. Okay, so to go with this cleanser, we've got a muslin cloth. The packaging is nice, even though it's a muslin cloth. Nothing wrong with muslin cloths. Muslin cloths are brilliant, but it's just a cloth, isn't it? I'm just saying that the packaging is nice. Have we, oh, we got a few. We've got 3, is it? We've got 3 cloths here. Oh. Nice and soft. Some muslin cloths are quite like tough, are quite hard. Obviously when you dampen them down they're okay. I'm thinking the Liz Earle ones, you know, but no, these are nice and soft. It's got the Plouise logo there. That's nice. We've got a set of 3 muslin cloths there. Anything else? Yes. Protect your pout. Speak words of kindness for attractive lips. I'm reading this back to front. Do any of you do that? Instead of reading downwards, you read upwards. What is the point in that? It just confuses me further. Choco Lovin' protects and hydrates dry and damaged lips with each application. It's a lip conditioner for the sweetest kisses that tastes oh so good. Apply when necessary. It can be used as a lip conditioner or primer before applying your favourite finish. That's what it looks like there. I had one of these in the first box. It was in a set with a lip oil actually, so it is a repeat, but it's different. You know, different tastes, flavours, scents. So this one is Choco Lovin'. Oh my word. Oh my word. Oh my word, that smells like the most gorgeous chocolate caramel egg. You know the little mini eggs that you can get? I can't think of what they are now, but like if you can imagine chocolate and caramel together. Oh, it just smells. You're not going to be able to see anything. It just smells absolutely amazing. Amazing. This is what I'd apply to my lips on its own or before application of a lipstick. And the lip oil I would apply on top of a lipstick. Mostly matte lipsticks. That's when I love using lip oils because I like the longevity of a matte lipstick, but I don't always like the feel of it on my lips. But when you apply lip oil, yeah, it's nice. So there's that. Oh, we got one more thing. And it is a brush. It is a Plouise is cancelled. And it's a little brush. I'm sure we had one of these. I'm going to have to look back on my video to see if we had one of these. Or maybe it's a larger size. Maybe it's larger. Because I vaguely remember in my last box saying, yeah, it'd be great for cut creases. They won't put the same product in so soon, would they? I don't know. I'll have to look at my beauty stash to see. So those are all the products in this month's Plouise budget box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got an Easter egg here. And inside the Easter egg, we've got a Stay Shining lip oil. A gorgeous Wet and Set liquid eyeshadow. And we've got a very liquidy, fall in line, double-ended with those colours, liquid eyeliner. Next up, we got some skincare. This is Texture Treatment, a gel-like cleanser that's lightly exfoliating. And to go with that, we have got a set of 3 muslin cloths. Next, we've got a lip treatment. And this is Choco Lovin'. If you love chocolate, you will love this, like I do. And this is Protect Your Pout, so a lip conditioner. And lastly, a Plouise brush 7072. I love this month's box. I absolutely love it. I love the fact that we've got an Easter egg in there with additional products. I'm really excited about the cleanser and the muslin cloths. I think that's fab to put them together. And we haven't seen skincare before. Well, I haven't in the last 3 box. The only disappointment, not so much a disappointment because they are different, but we have had a lip conditioner and we've had a lip oil and the brush may be the same, but as I said, I'll have to look back on my previous videos and have a look in where all my brushes are kept to see if it is. It might be different, but I do know we have had a lip oil and a lip treatment in different scents and flavours. What do you call it? What do you call it? Flavours, because you're not supposed to lick them, are you? But you know what I mean. Smells, different smells, we'll say that. So that's nothing new there for me, although I do really like these. They smell absolutely amazing, really, really gorgeous. But overall, I am happy. I think it's a really great box. And yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? I know a few of you that have already subscribed have messaged me and you've said you've loved it too. But I'd love to hear from others that have received their box if you're a subscriber. What do you think of this month's box? How does it compare to to previous boxes. And also, if you're new to Plouise subscription, what do you think of it? Do you think it's worth the money? Are you interested in maybe taking out a subscription or a one-off box? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.